friends, welcome to my channel Unique Creativity, and today I am going to share one of my another creation. This is a return gift of my daughter's 4th birthday, and I gifted this books to the kids, those who came to my to the birthday party, and I'll share how I made this and how they look like. So this was the first thing. This was the invitation card. We just made this one on the paper with a printout, and this was the paper, canvas paper. Maybe you can see that the texture of the paper. This is a canvas paper. I don't know the brand, but this is something very, it looked like a canvas. It looked like a canvas. Maybe you can see, yeah, yes, it's visible now. So this was the thing. I just took out, we printed out all this invitation card for my daughter's name, Terence, and this was her 4th birthday, and this was the information all written here, and you are invited, and it's saying that celebrating her birthday big style, exclusive, the girl who knows how to celebrate in style. And have you heard, this was an chance to enjoy the exclusive balloon release ceremony. We had a balloon release ceremony at her birthday, so this was the thing we did. So I just took the print out of this thing and I gave this one to the kids, those who were invited. And here I have written that please bring your card back for surprise. So this was written at the end of the card, that please bring back your card for the surprise, and this I called back. Now the thing was that I made this book and I just everything was kept ready, but this was a card they were bringing back, and I was sticking it here on the front page of this book. You can see this front page has many detailing. It's showing that it's 4th birthday, 4 button and all these things, and this was the card, invitation card. And by putting this card, this thing has become very memorable, and everybody knows that this is good. This was the name of the kid, that is Abhinav. So he was invited, and this was the name of the kid. You can see that this is another, this is same, but the name is different. This is Devyanka. So by this way I came to know whose book is this. So this was the first page, initial page. After then, this is just 2-page book. In first page, what I did was kid, he is Abhinav. So all his pictures from the birthday, I took out the printout and I just sticked it here. Whatever he was doing in the birthday was shown in this page, means he was having lots of fun. So 1 was a big picture and 2 was a small picture. So he is playing here, he is sitting here, so that her mother can know that how he enjoyed the birthday. So this was the first page which were carrying a picture about that guest. And next was the page. In this page you can see that I have put this butterfly and little bit of washi tape and all these things, and this small things, wonderful moments, and like this. And next page is having information about the party. This is a birthday girl. She is wearing her dress and she is giving a good pose. This was a picture of her cake, and both are wearing the same kind of dress. This is, and here you can see the party pictures, means this was same in everybody's book. These picture was totally same in everybody's book, but yes, these picture were according to the kid. I'll show you one other book in which you can see, you can compare it, that how I just managed all these things. And this is the, you can see they were making a cupcake. So this is a picture of a cupcake. They were releasing a balloons and everybody is enjoying that thing, and so many balloons at home also. And this was the drink, this was a drink picture. These are very small, means you can say these are very small pictures. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pictures in one sheet. This is like that. So this was the food they were eating. This is a picture of the food. And this is a picture at the time she was cutting her cake. This is a picture of that I'm making scrapbooks in the bedroom. I am making everything ready in the bedroom so that I can give it at the time when they are leaving party. But I was thinking that I would be able to manage everything, but means I was not able to give these gifts at that moment when they were leaving. So I went later to their home and I gave this one. She is opening her she is surrounded with her gifts and she is opening her gifts. And this was captured and this was kept as a memory. And at the back of this book it's written that birthday feels special when loved ones with you. I want to express a lot but words are few. The gift you gave and the time you spent, I can't even measure how much it meant. The games we played and the fun we shared, it really showed that how much you cared. The songs we sang and poppers we blew, the cupcakes we did and the balloons we flew. It felt like a dream, but yet it's true. I really feel blessed to have friends like you. This book is the moment, a treasure to save. My way of thank you for the memories you gave. So this I did on the vellum paper. This is a vellum paper you can see, and I just embossed these words. I was taking out the printout from my printer and I am just embossing it directly. Means these were the words, this was the ink, because on vellum when you take a printout the ink doesn't dry immediately. So I was taking it out and I am just doing on the other side I was just putting this embossing powder and I was taking it immediately by that time. So I made this ready and it's been sticked by the washi tape only, because it's very difficult to stick your vellum on any paper. And these are the washi tape work and made with love. This is again a washi tape. I just put it with love, made with love. So this was a return gift I gave to the guest who came to my daughter's 4th birthday party. She is now 6 years old. This is 2 years old. Return gifts, enjoy memories. And this is Divyanka's book. You can see this is a picture and she is sitting here and she is enjoying with her. Divyanka, she is my elder daughter's best friend, so she is always invited to Theron's birthday party, my little daughter's birthday. And this I made with the I just cut out the triangles and I made these banners out of that. These are very small triangles and I just made this. You can see this is same picture I have shown you in the other book. It is same, and these pictures are also same. They are making a cupcake and they are playing and they are just releasing the balloons and all these pictures. And here these if I say that everybody is having some things were different, means it was not like, if you will see that I have kept this tag here and the crown is here, and again this is small, don't forget, and crown is here, and this butterfly is here. So this was little bit different for everybody. And I think I made 45 or 50 books. So I was just seeing all the things in my stash and I was using it. Few things are common, but yeah, everything is not same. So this is the book, and this is, I think this is one of the best return gift I have given ever, because everybody is having this book and they know that whenever they open this book they feel like they are in that memories and they can recall each and everything they enjoyed in this birthday party. I'll keep sharing all my different things which I have been making since long and I have kept it, but now I think I must share all my creations with you. And keep sharing my videos. Please subscribe my channel. I'll come back with something very new and different. Take care. Bye. See you soon.